what is keyword mapping? Keyword mapping is actually mapping your keyword with your similar page or your content. For example, if I have a website development company, then along with my home page, I'll have multiple pages. So I'll have like as you can see on this, like e-commerce, web design, digital marketing agency. So in a website, when you have multiple pages, so you might will be having multiple keywords as well. So what you will do, you will map your keyword with your respected pages. For example, as you can see here, the web design Dubai keywords are just for homepage. So I'll make sure to create a mapping list like this before starting working on any of the project, because this will be required in your on page, off page, and technical SEO. You will be required to create a keyword mapping sheet whenever, like just for example, if you start from on page only, if you want to pick put meta title and meta description only, then only the keyword mapping sheet is required. And even if you are doing backlinks, then there also you will be required a keyword mapping sheet so that you can properly target your keyword according to the pages.